Hey guys, welcome back. So I just finished making this adorable project and I wanted to come and show you. Let me just move this higher. Okay, so this is the card that I made in the previous video and it's using the Dulce collection with the little cotton candy. I thought it came out super cute. And when I made this, I wanted to create something that kind of goes together, like a cute little gift. So I decided on making cracker boxes. And I think they came out super cute. Let me show you this one first. So this is, sorry about the glare. I have right on top of me my big lamp. Okay, so this is the box. I just finished making these flowers and they are paper flowers with a foam flower in the middle. And what I did was I added glue and added diamond dust. And this one is the same thing. That butterfly is from the collection that I just fussy cut. Added all these leaves. The unicorn is from my stash. And I used a mold that Crafty Kimchi gave me. And it's kind of soft, like a kind of like a foam. And that's what that looks like. I think it came out really cute. And the box opens like this. And then you have 4 cracker boxes. And the boxes I used this right here, the candy punch board. And I decided to make 4 using the collection. So each 4 has a different paper. And we got this one. And then this one. And I'm going to fill them up with candy and goodies. I think they came out so freaking cute. And the boxes itself, I struggled a little bit. I'm not good at making boxes with the lid. So I had Tony help me. She's Craft Purge. And I also had a few other ladies from Instagram give me the little tips. The lid itself still is a little big, but it's fine. I think it still looks cute. I think these little clusters of flowers makes it a little heavy where it's not going to look too loose. So I did that. Okay, let's put that one there. And then I made this big jumbo one. And this one here is so freaking cute. I followed the tutorial from Linda Parker. And you see there? There's a box. Okay, so when the person gets it, they'll open this right here. Okay. Then put your hand through here and push the box that's inside. And you see it coming out? And just push until you see the box right here. And you have a box. And then this one here, obviously I didn't put nothing in there yet. Opens like this. It's a nice size box. Fill it up with goodies. And this box was in there. Isn't that like so freaking cute? So you put it back in there. It fits perfectly. See? Look. Then you take your ribbon. You close your cracker box. Definitely going to be making more of these boxes. They just look so cute with goodies. And they were so much fun to make. Just close this up right here. And then when you close it, it gives it that cute little cinch look. And it's like, whoops. I swear. Every time I'm making a video, I always try to rush. And always something gets messed up. But there is your cracker box. And this box is huge. It's, what's this? Look at that. 11 1/4. So it's a big box. By 2.5. I think it came out super cute. I just think this makes a really great presentation. Look at that. There you go. You got your whole little kit. Makes a great birthday gift. Leave this in someone's desk. Nice little bag or something. What do you guys think? Love it. And that's it. That was my quick project share. Hope you guys like it. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.